Attorney Jonathan Elson, reminding you that if you've been injured in an auto accident, it's important to have somebody on your side. When you need a lawyer,
then you need Nelson.
This morning, the attorneys for the ASPCA, veterinarians, animal control officers, deputies, animal control shelter staff, the sheriff, defense counsel, prosecutors, animal rights activists, defendants, media, court staff, and more gathered once again for answers concerning 300 dogs in limbo that have been confiscated and are in the care and custody of the Nye County Animal Shelter. The animals were found to be in horrific living conditions, sick, injured, and dying, many already deceased on properties in Amargosa and Pahrump. On August 23rd, the owner and caretaker of Estalfa Kennels, Vasily Platonov, and his ex-wife, Oksana Higgins, were arrested for animal cruelty and neglect. Nye County Animal Control said that they could face hundreds of charges, but Nye County District Attorney Chris Arabia said that is now down to a mere 5 at this point. Today in court, another blow for the individuals who wanted to remove the animals from their alleged abusers. Platonov and his attorney Thomas Gibson said that Platonov has now filed for bankruptcy, a move that has now made it so that all the property owned by the defendant is now in bankruptcy court. This means that the dogs are now in the bankruptcy filing because they are property. So now the custody case is now on hold until the bankruptcy case is settled. District Court Judge Robert Lane asked the defense and prosecution to make a new date in a few weeks for a status check on the bankruptcy case, and the dogs will remain in the care and custody of the county.
So the last order that was entered by the court, which was the emergency order, will stay in effect. The county will keep the dogs and keep caring for them and paying for it. At some point, we'll have this disposition hearing. The state just said 3 weeks they're going to file a motion with the bankruptcy court to be allowed to go forward with the disposition hearing. We don't know if that'll take 3 weeks or 2 months, but whenever they say, okay, you can go ahead and do the disposition hearing, you'll then need to notice your witnesses. So if you'll work together with Mr. Gibson and me, if you need it, to pick a new date, we'll do that once you get the okay from the bankruptcy court. We'll continue with the emergency motion until then. I don't know how much this is costing the county to pay for all these dogs, but good luck to you on that.